Running a WooCommerce store? Then you know. Customers love a good deal. They see your offer. Excited, they add items to their cart. But at checkout, the discount's missing. They feel tricked. They leave, and the sale slips away. Discount rules can get complicated, but with the right plugin, it's simple. Meet Disco, the advanced condition and rules-based discount plugin for WooCommerce. With Disco, you can easily create any type of advanced condition-based discount offers in just a few clicks, such as discounts based on product attributes, prices, stock, shipping, purchase history, customer roles, and more. Let's see how easy to set up 6 advanced discounts with our user-friendly interface. Start with product-based discount. Let's say you want to offer 10% off on all t-shirts. First, give your campaign a name, something like T-shirt 10% off. Then, select product discount. Next, choose the product you want. Now, set the discount rule. Apply 10% off. Set the condition, like if the product category is t-shirt. And finally, select the category. And you're done. Your discount is now live on the t-shirt category, automatically applied just like that. Next, cart-based discounts. Want to reward customers who spend more? Just set a cart subtotal condition. Let's say you want to offer $20 off on orders over $150. First, give your campaign a name. Next, choose cart discount as your discount type. Next, choose the product you want. Select fixed discount and enter $20 off. Time to add the condition. If the cart subtotal is greater than or equal to $150, the discount will apply automatically. And that's it. Your discount campaign is live and ready to roll. After that, bulk intend discount. Want to run a buy more, save more offer on your store? Let's set up a quick bulk discount together. Let's say you want to offer buy 5 or more products, get 15% off. First, let's give our campaign a name. Next, choose bulk discount as the discount type. Next, choose the product you want. Now, set the bulk rule. When a customer adds 5 or more items to their cart, they'll automatically get 15% off. That's it. Your bulk discount is now live. Bundle discount. Let's say you want to offer buy 2, get 10% off, buy 5 or more, get 20% off. First, let's give our campaign a name. Next, choose bundle discount as the discount type. Next, choose the product you want. Alright, now set your bundle rules. If the item quantity is 2, the customer gets 10% off. If they buy 5 or more, then the customer gets 20% off. Your bundle discount campaign is ready. Now when a customer adds the items to their cart, the discount is applied automatically. Now, Bogo, buy 1, get 1. Let's say you want to offer a deal like buy 3 t-shirts, get 1 cap free. First, let's give your campaign a name, something like t-shirt and cap combo. Next, choose your discount type. We'll go with Bogo. Now, let's filter the product. Just search and select t-shirt. There are 2 types of Bogo offers, buy X, get X, where the same item is free, and buy X, get Y, where a different item is free. For our deal, we'll go with buy X, get Y. Now, time to set up the Bogo condition. If a customer buys 3 t-shirts, they get 1 cap, absolutely free. And that's it. Your deal is live. When a customer adds 3 t-shirts to the cart, the cap gets added automatically, with the discount applied. Finally, free shipping discount. Want to offer free shipping based on cart value or location? Let's set that up together. So, you want to offer free shipping on orders over $150? First things first, let's give your campaign a name. Next, choose your discount type. Select free shipping. Now, choose the products this applies to. You can apply it to all products, or just pick a few. Alright, now for the condition. Set it up so when a customer's order total is over $150, they'll automatically get free shipping. And just like that, done! When your customers add over $150 to their cart, free shipping is applied. Need help? Our support team has your back, with clear docs and tutorials to guide you every step. Install Disco and watch your WooCommerce sales dance.